Today we're diving deep into the ZTE Blade V60, a hidden gem in the realm of affordable smartphones. Packed with impressive features and priced at just $120, this device is making waves in Bolivia and beyond. Join me as we uncover everything you need to know about the ZTE Blade V60. Let's start with the unboxing experience. As we open the box, we're greeted with the sleek ZTE Blade V60 resting elegantly inside. The attention to detail is evident, with the model details proudly displayed. With a massive 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, this device offers an immersive viewing experience. But it's not just about size. The Blade V60 boasts a stunning 50MP main camera and a 32MP selfie camera, ensuring every moment is captured in breathtaking detail. Moving on to the design, the Blade V60 impresses with its sleek and ergonomic build. The back panel, crafted from high-quality polycarbonate, feels premium to the touch. And don't forget about the mesmerizing rainbow effect when light dances on the camera module. Under the hood, the Blade V60 is powered by the formidable Unisoc Tiger T616 processor, offering performance comparable to the Snapdragon 695. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, this device delivers smooth and seamless performance. With up to 20 GB of RAM, 8 GB physical RAM and 12 GB virtual RAM, and 256 GB of storage, expandable via a microSD card, the Blade V60 ensures you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Battery and charging. Now, let's talk about endurance. The Blade V60 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting power to keep you connected throughout the day. And with 22.5W fast charging support, you can get back to full power in no time. Accessories and extras. But wait, there's more! ZTE goes the extra mile by including a plethora of accessories with the Blade V60. From a flexible silicone case to 2 screen protectors, USB-C cable, and even earphones, ZTE ensures you're fully equipped right out of the box. Software and features. Running on Android 13 with ZTE's MyOS customization, the Blade V60 offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. With features like facial recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, your data remains secure at all times. Audio and connectivity. And let's not forget about audio quality. With DTS sound certification, the Blade V60 delivers immersive soundscapes that elevate your multimedia experience. Plus, with dual SIM plus microSD support, staying connected has never been easier. Conclusion. The ZTE Blade V60 redefines the notion of affordable smartphones. With its stunning display, impressive performance, and thoughtful extras, it's a true powerhouse that punches well above its weight. So, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly yet feature-rich device, look no further than the ZTE Blade V60.